Hi guys, and welcome to SciMarvels. Today we are going to simplify a complex expression. 14 to the power of 3 plus 21 to the power of 3 plus 28 to the power of 3 plus 35 to the power of 3 over 14 times 21 times 28 times 35. First, let's break down the numbers in terms of their factors. For the numerator, we can write 7 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 7 times 3 to the power of 3 plus 7 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 7 times 5 to the power of 3 over 7 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 7 times 4 times 7 times 5. Now, let's break down the exponents. For the numerator, we have 7 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. And for the denominator, we can factor out the 7s and write it in the following form. 7 to the power of 3 times 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Now, let's factor out 7 to the power of 3 from the numerator. This simplifies to 7 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3. And the denominator remains unchanged and equals 7 to the power of 3 times 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Now we can cancel out 7 to the power of 3 from both the numerator and the denominator, which gives us 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 over 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 times and 5. Next, we can rewrite the denominator and calculate the cubes of the number in the numerator. This gives us unchanged denominator and 224 for the numerator. Now, let's simplify this fraction. 224 divided by 2 equals 112. So the fraction becomes 112 over 7 times 3 times 4 times 5. And 112 divided by 4 equals 28. So we have 28 over 7 times 3 times 5. And finally, 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So we have 4 over 3 times 5, which simplifies to 4 over 15. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe SciMarvels. Thanks for watching.